Kathy Buchanan. She had a chip time of 23 minutes, 8.6 seconds. And she is being awarded a plethora of prizes, a plaque. There's cash, gift certificates, the wine tasting. Oh, she can go drink wine now. A commemorative courthouse. All right. She's going to need help carrying all her prizes. Kathy Buchanan. And a medal. Great job, Kathy. Running out of Rye Vista, Texas, our overall male winner, Gareth Chris. 15 years, all right, the young gun. Chip time of 21, this will probably mean something to the runners, 21.25. But you've got to give your cash to me. UIL's got rules. He needs it for his driver's ed. Mom said, no, you can give it to her. Garrett, get back up here, son. Don't rush this. Mom has not got her picture yet. Grandma. Oh, hey, I made points, didn't I? All right, good job. Way to go, Garrett. Overall female Masters winners. Running out of Granbury, Texas again. Yvette Miller. Chip time, 24.19. Good job, Yvette. Where do y'all run in Granbury without getting run over? Do you get to eat at Babes as part of your training? I'm with her. You've got a courthouse coming? All right, good job, Yvette. Overall male Masters winner. He lives nowhere, he runs. John Ross. Where are you from, John? Fort Worth, Texas. I don't know. How about them Rangers? He's the sheriff. You're the sheriff of Fort Worth? Deputy sheriff. Good job. Hey, we're looking for good deputies down here. We're having real fun now. We're working on building a new jail. You run them down. Good job. John Ross from Fort Worth, Texas. Chip time, 22.39. Moving right along, our age group results. Female, 14 and under. Third place from Polar, Texas, Marlene Thomas. Good job, Marlene. Pause, smile, get your picture, shake a hand. Second, from Clifton, Texas, right here from home, Bosque County, McKenna Crabtree. Good job, McKenna, you made it. Congratulations. Chip time, 25:59. First place from Polar, Texas, Morgan Thomas. I bet they're sisters. Got a little sibling rivalry here. Good job, Morgan Thomas. Chip time of 23.20. Male class 15 to 9.